Hello everyone, I am Vicky Srigotan. Here I am presenting short note on Baker Venkatraman rearrangement. Introduction. The Baker Venkatraman rearrangement is the chemical reaction of two acetoxy-acetones with base to form 1,3-diketones. This reaction is same as the Claisel condensation reaction, and it is very useful reaction in organic synthesis. It is named after the scientists Wilson Baker and Krishnaswamy Venkataraman. Krishnaswamy Venkataraman is an Indian chemist, so I choose this topic as in my presentation. You can see the reaction below. It is Krishnaswamy Venkataraman reaction. Uh, we can observe acyl migration in this reaction from oxygen to carbon group. So, moving on to the mechanism, in the first step, it involves the obstruction of the alpha hydrogen. It means alpha hydrogen of the two acetoxyphenols is obstructed towards the base. You can see here the base obstructs the proton, and so it forms an enolate ion. Step 2. In this, enolate attacks the ester carbonyl. That means you can see here it is the alpha carbon. This alpha carbon of the enolate ion attacks to the carbonyl carbon of the ester. So it forms a cyclic alkoxide ion. In the step 3, the ring opens. The cyclic ring opens means the ring formed in the step 2 is opens, and so that one phenolate ion is formed. This phenolate ion is more stable. Step 4. This is the last step of this reaction. In this step, the base abstracted proton in the first step is given back to the phenolate ion, so that the product 1,3-diketone is formed. Now we can see here it is the final product of our Baker Venkatraman reaction. Now we can see some of the applications of this reaction. The Baker-Venkataraman rearrangement is used in the synthesis of chromones and flavones. This flavone nucleus used in the preparation of pharmaceutical agents, since both natural and synthetic derivatives are known to be responsible for a large variety of biological and pharmacological activities. This includes anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and also used in the antioxidant properties. And chromones. This is also similar to the flavones. This is also used as anti-cancer, anti-cardiovascular, anti-inflammatory activities. And the Baker-Venkatraman reaction is widely used as a starting material in the synthesis of anthracyclines, benzopyrones, coumarins, xanthones, etc. Thank you.